see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Oh, hello my jewels and welcome back to my channel. It's 10:29. I'm not about to lie to y'all. I did not just wake up. I woke up an hour ago. And happy Vlogmas day 1. I'm taking out these because these got on my nerves. I have gotten my braces off. It's Vlogmas day 1. I know I look like a mess, but y'all are gonna have to get used to this because y'all are gonna have to see this for about 25 more days. Today I'm just cleaning my room and getting myself back into the school feels because I don't really want to go back to school with a dirty room because my room stays being messy. So yeah, I'm about to go. I hear like this weird vibrating noise. But anyways, yeah, I'm trying to get my room cleaned up and just ready because, you know, it's Vlogmas. I'm already going to be stressed out about that plus school, and I don't really have the time to stress out about my room. So yeah, I have to basically get a planner and plan everything out for this month, basically video wise. And yeah, I don't think I'm going out today, but I think I am decorating the house, or my house, me and my siblings and my parents. So yeah, we're all going to decorate the house. And I started putting all the Christmas stuff in my room. We're gonna start, I don't know, I wanted to buy little like knickknacks to put in my room, but my room is pretty, it looks pretty springy. Here, let me show you. I'm showing you the up part of my room because yeah, but anyways, it's really pink and stuff. And I mean, if you look at my bed, okay, we're not looking at that. If you look at my bed, I have red blankets and green blankets, and then I have these Christmas pillows on the other side of my bed. But yeah, I'm just trying to clean up my room, so because I know that this is like the time of the year where you're gonna have a lot of parties and stuff and Secret Santas. Oh frick, we need to do that. My finger, hold on. I took a bunch of oh my gosh, let's hang our Polaroids up. I would put you guys on a tripod, but I don't really feel like doing that. This is a Polaroid wall that I'm trying to start. These are like Polaroids from like my 8th grade year to about now. I'm a senior if you didn't know. And yeah, we're gonna hang some new ones because I took some from Thanksgiving. So alright guys, just finished the Polaroid wall. Or not just finished, but you know what I mean. It's almost done. Gotta fill that space up. I don't know if I should keep going and fill it all the way there, or if I should just stop with the 3 rows and then like make 3 rows up there and then kind of keep going. I don't know. I wanted this wall to be just specifically like those types of pictures, but I wanted the outsides to kind of be like all Polaroid. So hopefully by the end of this school year, I have them all filled up, so that when I go to college, I can take these all down and put them on my door. So right now, we're going to go see if I can wash clothes. And then I'll give you guys a tour of the house. That's the media room. My dad is currently watching a movie, and I want to close the door because it's so loud. This is our living room. I know it's hard to... This is our living room, or upstairs living room. And then we have this. This is kind of our Christmas decorations that have already been laid out around this area, because like this is basically like our staircase and stuff. So we usually put like wreath type stuff on it. But yeah, my room is right there. That's my dad's office, and this is a blanket closet, and these are all the blankets are right there. This is a bathroom. These are all the ornaments and stuff that were brought down from the attic that is right there. These are my sister's rooms. If you didn't know, I have 2 sisters and they are twins. You should know because they've been on this channel. They haven't been on my main channel, but they've been on this channel. What else? Okay, as you probably have seen a lot on this channel, I always do videos of me walking down the stairs. So this is my staircase. I'm not gonna show you a picture of my family because that's kind of weird, but no, I'm kidding. This is the front door. So when you walk in the front door, this is my mom's office. Oh shoot, sorry. this is my mom's office right here, these doors. This is like the little hallway to the guest room, and then the garage is right. Is it closed? Okay, yeah, it is. And then as you just saw me walk down, this is a staircase, and then this is just a little mirror, which you're probably not always see me filming. And this is the dining room. It's really big. And this little area is where our tree will go. Right now these are pillows. I don't know why they're on the ground, but we replaced them with these red Christmas pillows. And then this is where the table, that's where it usually goes, but since the Christmas tree is going to go right there, this is where that table is going to go. This is our living room. It's really nice. My mom kind of designed it. She's not an interior designer, but she low-key should be. This is our main living room. It's a fireplace, and then we have 2 twin windows, and then that's this is the door to the backyard, and then this is our kind of like dinner space where we all have dinner. And as you can see, we already started decorating for Christmas. And this is the kitchen. You all didn't see me in here because I'm literally annoying and I love to eat. But yeah, and then refrigerator, oven and microwave, and then this is like our coffee area, and then our pantry, and that's it. You just got a tour of my.
I just wanna see my baby standing right outside my door.
I can't set you anywhere but like, there we go. So you're currently in my kitchen right now, and I'm about to eat because I'm hungry. Oh, never mind. We were supposed to, what's it called? Putting up the tree.
Wake up and smell the coffee. You show a cup half empty. When we I love when you're all quiet. You see a piece of paper could be a little greater. You show me what you can make it.
So it's a little bit later. It's like a few hours actually. Tree's still up. I haven't finished fluffing it. Me and my sisters, we started decorating. It was fun, and then we kind of went our separate ways and we took a break because we're planning events. We're all planning to have our own Christmas party. So yeah, we were trying to plan that. Yeah, but we kind of got some stuff up, so let me show you guys what's going on. So my sister put up the stuff on top. Oh wait, you can't even, oh, it's on. Okay, so my sister already put up the little flowers. We have that little frick, what is that called? Oh my gosh, I'm like blinking. Anyways, that, and then you guys already saw the pillows, but the wreath, and then we got our fireplace all decked out, like wow. And then those are 2 paintings that my parents actually did together on like a date, I think. And even though they both look really similar, they're both actually really different. So yeah, and then we added these trees, which usually light up because they have plugs. Oh, what did I just step on? Okay, and then some extra wreaths, and then we added some more pillows, and then up there's some decorating right there. We decorated that part, and then this hallway we decorated a little bit, but as you can tell, this side is really lopsided and this side isn't. So yeah, we're gonna fix that. Right now I'm just watching YouTube videos. Currently watching Hannah Maloche again. I have an issue. Alright guys, it's a little bit later. In the background you can probably hear football noise because my dad's watching football. But it's really late now. Sorry I forgot to film, but I did take mine out, pulling them back so you can't see how awful they look. And instead of doing that bright red, I chose a really pretty like pink pinkish red color that looked like magenta. I just really like that one more. But I messed them up, so I'm gonna have my best friend paint them. The tree starting to come to life. Obviously not done, but we're getting there. That's about it. And that's it for Vlogmas Day 1. My camera is about to die.
Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who will catch your tears if you can't catch me, darling? If you can't catch me, darling.
Alright, here's an OOTD. So this, I know you guys here. I'm gonna turn the exposure all the way up. It's gonna look really bad, but so you can see the shirt. So this jacket is from Forever 21, and then I'm wearing underneath it this black just long sleeve top from Target. These, I got this patent leather belt from the thrift store, and then I got these jeans from Urban, and I'm wearing some velvet heels that I also got from Forever 21. The scrunchies from my friend's business, Toby Scrunchies, go check it out. And then yeah, currently wearing my bangs, and they are not doing me justice. I'm gonna have to brush them. I'm gonna have to bring a brush to school today, which is annoying. Sorry, my camera turned off. The only important class that I have to, oh my gosh, my bangs look so weird. Like, it's like all of them are like, it like would look normal if this was curled, because the rest of them, I totally want to wear my hair in bangs today, but looking at this side, and then like, I don't know if I can. I might just, okay, that looks a little bit better, I think. Does it? No. I'm pulling my hair back today. I can't deal with this. Okay, so I made myself breakfast, and about to go eat it, and then look like a little mole rat, but basically going to put my hair in a ponytail, and then a headband, and then Merry Christmas. I love you all. I hope you guys are enjoying your December. Let's go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. I really don't want to go to school, but I don't really have a choice. This is what I have to eat for breakfast. I'm going to eat oatmeal, and then some burnt this burnt turkey bacon that I made. I feel so much better. Mom, if you're watching this, shout out to you. Thank you. I'm pretty sure it was so painful this morning. Like, I know usually I never get sick, but when I do, like, it's pretty weird and I don't like it. But cramps, I've never had this much painful cramps before, so. We love that. But it's over now, so that's all that matters. All right, let's go. So yeah, we're going to my third period, which is pre-calculus, and then what is that class called after? Dollars and Cents. So you guys will meet most of my friends. You've met. You haven't. I'm not going to film in pre-cal because I actually have to learn in that class, but Dollars and Cents I don't have to learn in, so we're good. All right guys, let's go to school. Say hello.
Like the vlogging thing?
Yeah. We're at lunch right now. You do drugs.
I would never.
No,
I don't.
he's the most like innocent person I ever met in my entire life.
You should meet his friends.
Okay, yeah.
and it's over. Just got home and it's 7:55. I've been at school for about 8 hours, so if I didn't have cramps this morning, I probably would have been there longer, but anyways, I'm sorry I didn't feel like vlogging just because, like, honestly, it was the day I saw all my friends again. I'll see you guys in the next video, so I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1 and Day 2. Comment below if you enjoyed it, and comment below what you want to see in future videos.
No more lives torn apart. That wars will never start, and time would heal